Welcome to Tasting Wine with Andrea. If you're new, like and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. We are reviewing Napa Valley Winery Silver Oak 2017 Cabernet Sauvignon. According to winemaker notes, I'm supposed to taste notes of blackberry, blueberry, roasted coffee beans, coriander, and a hint of nutmeg. Okay, so before I get into this great bottle of wine and taste, I am going to share with you some of my favorite items I love to pair with red Cabernets. Delicious assorted meats, blue cheese, cheddar, and some great Gouda. All go wonderfully with Cab. Now I'm going to go ahead and sip on this wine, and I'm going to decide whether I can taste or detect any of those notes. And sit back, relax, and I'm going to share with you some history about this winery called Silver Oak. It all started with a handshake. Silver Oak began over a handshake between two friends with a bold vision. Focus on one varietal, Cabernet Sauvignon, aged exclusively in American oak and worthy of cellaring for decades to come. Ray Twomey Duncan, a Colorado entrepreneur who began investing in California vineyards in the late 1960s, and Justin Meyer, a Christian Brothers trained winemaker, co-founded Silver Oak out of a Napa Valley dairy barn in 1972, producing only 1,000 cases of their inaugural vintage. In 2006, a fire destroyed the historic Oakville winery. While rebuilding was a difficult and very emotional event, there was an opportunity to design a new state-of-the-art winery from the ground up, which resulted in a much better Napa Valley Cabernet, and also minimized their eco-footprint. 10 years after the fire, Silver Oak Napa Valley was designated the world's first LEED Platinum winery for existing buildings, operations, and maintenance by the U.S. Green Building Council, USGBC. Next, when it came time to reimagine the Silver Oak Alexander Valley Winery, we applied the lessons learned from our Oakville winery and set an even higher bar with a goal of net zero water and energy as our North Star. The new Sonoma County Winery has since become the world's finest winery to achieve LEED Platinum for building design and construction. Thriving vineyards, flourishing culture. Sustainability is the long-term strategy for leading a healthy and thriving business without compromising the next generation's ability to use and enjoy the natural resources around us. As a family-owned, multi-generational winery, our environmental stewardship and social responsibility extends from the vineyards and wineries to the tasting rooms. From the Missouri cooperage to the greater American wine-growing community, to U.S. operating with a thoughtful approach at every step of the winemaking process is not only the right thing to do, it results in better wines. Thank you for watching my video. If you decide to try Silver Oak, please comment below and let me know what you think. And if you have any wine you'd like to see reviewed, please comment below. And I will definitely taste it and let you know what I think. And I'll also give you some history on that particular wine and winery. Until next time, here's to tasting wine. Bye-bye.